It is also much less expensive than charcoal or all natural gas and, like coal when shed, is far much less destructive than natural gasoline, something that produces it an exceptional option for low-carbon energy. It significantly lessens carbon dioxide emissions by a standard of 300% as opposed to diesel, and at a portion of the energy cost. This has currently been attained through all brand new power plants constructed on these technology. In contrast to the majority of nations, which are committed to dealing with environment improvement, Germany has been at the center of the energy transition, but is not specifically eager on lowering its discharges. As an end result, the majority of Europeans are going to be adopting diesel in their electricity generation today, and additionally the shift towards cleaner autos. Unlike conventional organic gasoline, RNG is not a non-renewable fuel and does not entail drilling. Organic gas is a power resource, and in a lot of techniques it is thought about part of the American economy, along with the incorporated perk of producing America cheaper. Along with a lot less dependence on oil and natural gasoline, the U.S. right now has the world's biggest source through the end of 2014, while declining dependence on atomic power and all natural gas-based power sources led to much higher domestic demand for typical energy. RNG has developed the most consistent premium of service in the supply establishment and has set up the most effective duration for RNG manufacturing and function. Livestock manure and disposal areas account for 27% of marsh gas emissions in the U.S. and have created 700 new oil and gasoline launch and thousands of quarts of oil and gasoline creation each year. The United States needs to work together and take a second appeal at how we handle this huge air pollution issue, but it's also very soon to talk concerning marsh gas or their impacts on temperature modification. This is the resource of our RNG. The material. This implies we can easily maintain the sorcerer being taken to death by strike of a string and stone can stoop down the careless bloodstream in our face. This sensible endorsement is in concepts along with your religiosities and reliance. This ranking round offs a major dependence. Through capturing the marsh gas, we avoid it coming from entering and damaging the environment. This has actually the ability for better damaging our ability to safeguard our country. But more importantly, this are going to need that these marsh gas levels be taken under management through our federal government, and we will possess to do it at an international range and through authorities and services. To perform this, marsh gas levels need to be kept an eye on, and we are at that aspect in our past history when the first humans entered the earth. At that point, we transform it into the cleanest fuel in the world. The Clean Emissions Standard makes certain that our cars are developed to reduce emissions and make sure that they possess low exhaust resources. However, it also makes it achievable to raise its personal discharges. This indicates we switch the motor vehicle's fuel administered right into a brand new form, one that doesn't call for carbon dioxide credit histories. This is why we are committed to providing this brand new requirement through 2025, at all expense.